So, good evening, everybody. Uh, Today, this is Yugesh. Once nobody knew who I was, this was one very good opportunity for me to tell you people about something that is good for you as well as the society. This, I don't think whatever I've done is something really great, but maybe I could do something that was useful or something that would give me some self content, and I would be happy to whenever I recollect this event, it'll give me some peace of mind. So this was like, to be very frank with everybody, this was basically only my father's credit. It was only,
You tell the story what happened.
see, this was one evening where I was in a pub. Actually, I was actually enjoying myself in a small party where suddenly a few of my friends called me. They told me that one of my friends met with an accident, like he fell in between the rear tire, and then I was like, I didn't know who he was, and I was like, my mind was out blank. Then I was like, I came out. I immediately called my friends. When I found out, it was one of my very close friends called Santosh, who met with this accident. When I asked my friends literally about what was the next step they were doing, they already told me that the student was admitted in Aware Global Hospital, very close by my place. So I was like, by the time I went back home, and I called some of my friends, and like a few of my friends were still there at the hospital at midnight. So the next day morning, the first thing I did was I went to the hospital. When I saw the boy's condition, literally there were tears in my eyes. I've never seen anything so terrible which moved my heart. Then then I didn't know what I had to do. I was like literally helpless. So immediately I was recalled by one of my friend who stays in the colony. His name was Nishant. I remember him speaking at my temple. There's a temple in the colony where in one incident he was telling me that they saved a boy through a foundation called Abhaya. I was like, immediately the idea struck my mind, and I called him. I told him, like, Bhaiya, this is what has happened. I need some help, whatever the help could be, I need it. Then Nishant, he came immediately to the hospital with me. We went, we spoke to his parents, and then immediately we contacted Abhaya about what had to be done. And then their parents are very poor and they were unable to do anything, and they were like, they wanted help. So we, along with Nishant Annaya, we spoke to Balchandar uncle, who was like leading the event, and then we together framed a mission called Santosh. Our only mission was to save him, irrespective of whatever happened, whatever we faced. Although we were in the middle, we didn't even know what we were doing. We didn't even we didn't even look forward for anything. All that we had to do was save him. We had to follow the mission. We had a lot of people who helped us. It was such a terrible accident that still reveals in my mind. The doctors, being at a commercial hospital, charged really high, and this Abhaya Foundation, it actually helped us a lot. And then we collected from many people, like kind-hearted people. They gave us, irrespective of whatever the amount is, and they not only gave us amount, they not only gave us money to save him, they gave us a lot of self-confidence to move us forward and to take every single step. Today we have collected a little bit of amount, we've collected whatever we could do, we're still striving this thing.
Who is your father?
My name is Yugesh, and my father is Maruti Ramprasad, the principal of Ramadevi Public School, and he has tried a lot from his school and from the organization that are linked with that, and then finally we got some amount, proceeding it through Abhaya, and Abhaya has helped us a lot through this in saving this child life.
Who has given this idea of spreading this to the school?
We Balchandar uncle, who was leading this thing, has actually told us to go ahead with something to lead and to help. Helping is what is ultimate. We were like all moved. All of us who were involved in this were moved. Then we got this idea. We went to school. We explained to them. We went to various companies and we explained to the employees. We didn't expect anything, but we were so shocked to see that a lot of people were moved by this and they contributed whatever they could.
So what is the lesson out of all these things?
The lesson is, we are for the society and the society is for us. Tomorrow, let it be whoever it is, if it is rich, poor, nothing. If you fall somewhere on the road, if you're fallen down, it doesn't mean if your father is or if your relatives are some rich people, it doesn't mean they will have to come and pick you up. Whoever it is, the society will have to help you. So as long as you keep helping the society always keeps helping you.
So Abhaya is with you.
Yes, Abhaya is with all us. It's given an Abhaya Hasta to us so that we now with all this confidence we are very sure that we'll get this boy out, and that is our only mission.
Fantastic, fantastic. Yogesh, salute. Abhaya, salute you.
Thank you.
And over to our Parashuramji, who is heading the NCC cadre of Ramadev Public School. Mr. Parashuram, how are you?
Sir, fine, sir.
Can you just throw some light on what happened in regard to NCC and the mission Santosh, how it has been spread?
No, we had a staff meeting actually. We are regarding the annual day. We had a discussion with the principal, sir.
When is your annual day?
Annual day is in the April 20th, sir.
Oh, fantastic.
And sir is discussing the points. We are discussing the points with the house mistress and myself, PD department. And at the last point, sir shared this actually. It happened. The incident happened in the so-and-so college, and Yogesh has taken up this mission. Santosh, Mission Santosh. So what happened to the boy on that day, and what is the background of the family, and everything Sar shared. And Sar shared about who came forward to survive that child, that is Abhaya Foundation. And Sar is trying from the several sources to contribute to that boy to bring from that incident. So Sar is trying to best. And Sir said, if you know any foundation, any organization, try to help that boy, poor boy. Then immediately when Sir is telling, all of us shocked to see that picture, whatever is brought to us. And we shocked and we asked immediately the house mistress and myself also, Sir, is he alive? This is the question we asked to principal, sir. And Sir said immediately, he survived completely. That is on Friday, it is 17th, I believe. And Sir said, today only doctor said he is out of danger. And we was completely so happy, and immediately I got the tears, and the teachers are, they couldn't say anything by seeing this, and shocked completely. And we said,
so
sir,
what next? What happened next?
And immediately we thought completely to contribute something. Sir said to move, sir, why we couldn't do? We are doing for several flood relief fund. Flood relief fund, we collected some amount, and any people they are injured from our security only. 2-3 months back, and we collected the fund. We'll do like that. Voluntarily we'll ask, sir, teachers, we want to go forward. Then Sir said, okay. Then I started this.
You shared further this mission with whom?
NCC cadets.
Oh.
Where we have the NCC first and second year cadets. Among 90 cadets are there. So we shared with the NCC cadets. This is the position, this is the situation. Voluntarily they came forward. Sir, shall we give? Then we said, no. We are not giving completely. We have to go and bring it more.
Yeah.
You can give as a cadet 10 rupees or as a student.
What they did?
So they collected completely from all the staff members. They went to each and every staff member and they explained to this what is happened and what is the condition of the child's background, the family background. And the teachers, so many teachers, all the staff members inspired and they contributed completely. And one of the first year cadet, who is the Mr. Yogesh, and he contributed 15,000 of amount, a huge amount from all the cadets. Among all the 90 cadets, one cadet, he contributed the 10th.
Who is this boy?
He is a first year NCC cadet, sir.
What is his name?
Yogesh.
Oh, he is also... What is his name?
Anish.
Anish. That's
Anish.
what I was...
Anish, he is a 8th class boy.
Yeah.
He is in NCC first year. So he contributed the 15,000.
Together, how much you collected from Ramadev Public School now?
Together we collected 47,000.
About 50,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And tomorrow also there is
It's
some
in the
amount,
process. Our cadets are
pipeline.
on the...
Great. Abhaya salute entire Ramadevi Public School teaching staff, management, working staff, and the NCC cadre, 90 cadre people. And Abhaya would be loud to see them. Abhaya would be giving them a silver medal to those people who has shown exemplary, work in support of Mission Santosh. and we convey our best regards to Maruti Ramprasad Garu of Ramadevi Public School.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
We got the inspiration from our principals are only,
Yeah.
all our NCC cadets, and we are working together. Still we are doing.
Great, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.